Hello and welcome everyone to our 10th episode of our ABAP on HANA come S4 training course on YouTube with me Amrit. So in this part we are going to discuss the schema that we have in our HANA. So what is schema? What is schema? Schema is a mandatory database object mandatory database object in HANA. Schema is a mandatory database object in HANA. It is the home of all other database objects like table, functions, procedures, triggers, etc. It is the home of all other database objects like tables, functions, procedures, triggers, etc. There could be so many schemas in your SAP HANA system. There can be possible, there could be so many schemas in SAP HANA system. Some are system delivered schemas, some are system delivered schemas like sysbic underscore BIC and sysbi also. So schema is a mandatory database object in HANA system and it is the home of all other database objects like tables, functions, procedures, triggers, etc. Right? So when ABAP on HANA system, when ABAP system is installed on the top of HANA, during installation basis consultant will also give a schema, will also define a schema name which will be used for connecting or for connection with HANA. This is the only schema ABAP system will interact. There can be lots of schema for, let's say, native HANA development also or HANA developer also, but for ABAP developers there will be a schema defined at the time of the installation of ABAP system on the top of HANA. So it will be defined by your basis consultant and this will be the only schema your ABAP system is going to interact. This is going to be the only schema your ABAP system is going to interact. Okay, so all the schemas are stored in the catalog section of HANA. All the schemas are stored in the catalog section of HANA. And what does our catalog section contains? It contains all the runtime objects. Runtime objects are nothing but it is created in a schema. Yeah, runtime object gets created in a schema. Schemas are stored in the catalog section. Schema is a mandatory database object and it stores all the database objects like table, functions, procedure, triggers, etc. All the schemas are stored in the catalog section of HANA. So if you open your HANA system, in the catalog section you are going to see lots of schemas here. Lots and lots of schemas are available here. We can also check the schema of our ABAP system. So note, note. We can check connection to database in transaction code DBA cockpit. We can check the connection to database of our ABAP system in this DBA cockpit transaction code. So if I simply open this transaction code, let me just log into the system. I will go to DBA cockpit. Here I can see it. The connection to my database. Can you see here? This is the connection defined by my basis team. Also, we can check our system status. And you can check the schema name here. Schema name SAP HANA database. So if I go to HANA database, then we will definitely find this schema in the catalog section of HANA system. If you go and check this, just copy it and go and check in your HANA system, you are definitely going to find it. See, SAP HANA DB, same to same schema present here, and this is the only schema your ABAP system is going to interact. Same schema that has been defined here, same to same. ABAP will interact with this schema only, right? So one other note, if you do not find this schema in HANA system, it simply means that your basis administrator has not given you the access for this. Okay, that is why you are not able to see it. If you do not find this schema in HANA system, it simply means your basis administrator has not given you the access for this. That is why you are not able to see it, right? Then we need to discuss the features of schema also. So features of schema. First, schema provides a security at object level. It provides a security at object level, that is, who can insert, select, delete, update data inside the system. It provides the security. Then it also groups objects. It groups database objects, right? Database objects. Then whenever a user is created, a schema with the same name as username will be created in the system. That is, if I go to catalog, I will see a schema with the same name as my username has been created there also. So this is my username for my HANA system. See, a schema has been created automatically. And ABAP system will only and only talks to ABAP relevant schema, which is in our case is this SAP HANA DB. So ABAP system will only and only talks to a BAP relevant schema, which in our case is SAP HANA DB. Okay, HANA DB. So if you go for any activation of object from anything from S11 or from any other transaction code, a runtime object is generated. That runtime object, a schema is created, and here it is getting stored inside this thing. So if you go and check in these tables, you can find your any of the tables that you have created. You can simply go and filter it. So let's say I'm looking for my employee table that I have created. Employee tab, and if I open it, I'm going to find all these details. See, it has been generated here also inside our HANA directly, right? Same thing we can see here. So a BAP system will only perform operations with this SAP HANA DB schema. It will not interact with any other schemas. Other schemas that we see here are for native HANA development. So other schema that we see in SAP HANA are for native HANA development. They are only for native HANA development. Okay. Then packages in HANA Box. Packages in HANA Box. If we talk about the packages that are present here, HANA contains a section called catalog, which has packages. Okay, a package contains or package includes all the design time object, all the design time objects. It provides the security, right? Security of who can develop inside it, who can develop inside it, right? This has nothing to do with the ABAP packages. They are HANA packages also, right? It also provides a namespace, which means you and I can create a object name, provided it's in different package, Also, the runtime object will contain the name as package name slash object name. This is how this runtime object is going to contain your package name. Okay, so packages are in HANA Box. We also saw schema. What is a schema and why it is so important for us, right? So this is all about our 10th episode. So thank you very much for watching the video. We will continue from the next part.